I just want to give you a small idea of social media. If you want to grow social media, we have to be very, very clear about 52-week marketing plan. Why 52-week marketing plan? Because if we are
Mm-hmm.
if we want to launch our channel on YouTube, then we have to also think about our community. Suppose after some time we have some subscribers, followers, then we cannot keep behind with our contents. We make sure we have at least predefined 52-week calendar of social media contents, so that they keep
Yeah.
connected with me as a community members. In this way we can grow. Otherwise, if you just create two to five videos, then they not that is completely waste of time. So we have to keep organized, keep plan